So I'm sitting here in the car with the dogs, and the wife/client is grabbing some chicken wings from Stop and Shop. It's a big chicken nugget, chicken wing weekend for me. Anywho, I just left the job site trying to figure out what to show you guys, and honestly, it's not that interesting to look at. It's interesting for me because I know all the little different things that have happened, but it's not going to be very interesting for you. So instead, we're going to be looking at the ins and outs of how I'm managing this project and how I'm managing all these different suppliers and different products. It's a lot, so it'll be interesting if, you know, to the people that are actually considering taking on a remodel project or some kind of project themselves. But frankly, if you're just watching this for a couple laughs on a Saturday night, this might not be the one for you. So that being said, I'm gonna go over to my computer and start to unpack this for you. All right, here she comes. She's been pretty tough on me lately, so we're gonna turn the tables back on her.
Yep.
She's awful tough on those dogs too.
It's cold. It's freezing.
Okay, honey. Were you able to procure the chicken wings? That's gonna go on camera.
It's like
Were you
2
able-
degrees outside.
Were you able to procure the chicken wings?
You're not having chicken wings. Just made me sit outside.
Were you able to procure the chicken wings?
Yes.
Yes. Did you get them for the price that we wanted? Please answer.
No. Get away from me. I don't want to be filmed.
Is the chicken wing eating festival still on schedule for later today?
No.
She said no. Alright, remember, if you like this, if you like these episodes, please send a like on them. Hit that little subscribe button, and now maybe share it with your friends. You know, share it if you know anybody that's working on a project at home. Please share this with them. Maybe they'll find it helpful. All right, so we're gonna get into the episode now and talk about how to plan out a project like this. Bye. We're starting a remodel. I am the general contractor. My wife is the client. And I have to get this done by the end of April or else I'm in big trouble. Okay, so I'm out here at our temporary home, and if you're someone who's looking to run your own remodel as a GC or some kind of other building project, then this part is for you. And just to share a bit of my experience so far, I'm managing at this moment 19 different subcontractors or suppliers, and I just counted up how many product decisions we have to make right now, and it's at least 30. Pretty detailed product decisions at the moment that require, you know, non-commodity selections like different measurements, different finishes, all that sort of stuff. So it's a lot of coordination between all these suppliers and the different products that you need to buy. So I thought I would condense this and just come up with my 5 tips so far. So here are the 5 tips. Tip number 1, get organized. This is very self-explanatory based on what I just said, but I'm going to show you how I'm using Asana to manage this project and all the timelines and schedules that need to occur.
One of my friends asked me the other day, where do you even begin when you're doing a project like this? Well, I started with Asana, and one of the first things I did was build out the phases of this project in Asana and assign a timeline to it. After that, I knew I had to start finalizing all of my subcontractors and different quotes for products, and so I have all that in phase 1. Phase 1, this is where you can see all of the different trades and different processes or components of the project that I know I need to bid subcontractors for or buy materials for. So without going too far into the details, you can see I've got different line items here for all the different trades. I'm marking it complete, and I'm marking a budget low and a budget high, along with a budget confidence level, based on what I think that item is going to cost. So for example, I know that my dumpster from Roadie Disposal is going to cost me between $10 and $13. Obviously, I'm using fake numbers here, and I'm really tight on that because they gave me an estimate right up front and we signed a contract. I'm less tight on something like what the overall contractor is going to cost because we're doing it on time and materials. So there wasn't a defined number for what the carpenter is going to do. So I would do this for all of your different trades and all of the different products that you're going to need to buy, and that's going to allow you to arrive at a final budget.
Tip number 2, use your subs for referrals. Like you just saw, the budgeting process can be pretty elaborate. But if you have a sub that you know and trust, and you know you still need to find other subs for different trades further downstream, well, ask your sub, hey, who can you refer me to for tile or for flooring install or something like that? You're going to find that they have different contacts that they're going to be pretty apt to refer you to, which is really going to help you go through the budgeting process faster. Tip number 3 is to get your subs talking to one another. There's going to be a lot of problems that you come across every day. Right, Stevie? And the more that your subs can answer these questions by working together, the faster you're going to be able to go. So I recommend that right from the get-go, you make sure that all of your subs have one another's phone number and they know that they should call one another when they have an issue. Furthermore, you should model this by being very quick to start conference calls or have 3-person conversations between different subs so that you can all figure out a problem quickly. Tip number 4, set reminders for when you need to buy materials.
Especially in the COVID era when supply chains are fragile, you'll see lead times go out as far as 3 months on some pretty basic items. So I'm using Asana to leave myself reminders for when I need to order certain products by so that I don't slow down the job site. So you can see here in phase 4 and phase 5, I've got certain deadlines for when I need to order the bathroom fixtures, the tile, my lighting, a gas fireplace, and different things like that. Because if I don't get them ordered now, then I run the risk of slowing down my job later on.
The 5th and final tip is to be there. Go there every day or every other day at the minimum. There are just so many questions that are going to need answers, and the last thing you want to do is slow your job down. So those are my 5 tips. It's getting a little hot in here. I'm going to go outside, but thank you if you made it this far. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, share it with somebody who might find it helpful, and please give it a like or subscribe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again soon. Take care.